everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Kia EV3, Kia's latest entry into the affordable electric vehicle market. Exterior: the EV3 is a subcompact SUV with a boxy design that's similar to the current Soul EV. It features a distinctive sloping roofline and clear family links to the larger EV5. The EV3 is slightly larger than the Soul EV, thanks in part to its bespoke electric platform, which allows for the wheels to be pushed right to the corners of the car. Interior: the EV3's interior is clean and modern, with a focus on simplicity and functionality. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen display, and the center console features a minimalist design with a few simple buttons and knobs. The EV3 also comes standard with a variety of advanced features, including a digital instrument cluster, a head-up display, and a suite of driver assistance technologies. Performance: the EV3 is powered by a single electric motor that produces 167 horsepower and 258 pounds-feet of torque. This allows the EV3 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.9 seconds. The EV3 has a range of up to 240 miles on a single charge. Pricing and availability: the 2024 Kia EV3 is expected to start at around £28,500. It will go on sale in the first half of next year. The 2024 Kia EV3 is a promising new entry into the affordable electric vehicle market. It offers a stylish design, a comfortable interior, and a variety of advanced features. The EV3 also has a respectable range and performance. Overall, the EV3 looks like a great option for shoppers looking for an affordable and practical electric SUV. Thanks for watching. What do you think of the 2024 Kia EV3? Let us know in the comments below.